Hey guys, happy summer. I wanted to hop on with a quickie today. I just returned from 2-week vacation, so I've been very out of pocket with my furniture, but I'm going to get busy on those soon. But what I wanted to pass by some of you, especially if you're also interested in flipping furniture, restoring furniture, crafting, making risers, things of that nature, when you're at a thrift store or a garage sale, look beyond the obvious. For instance, I was at Goodwill this morning and I came across this. I don't know what it is. The lady next to me who saw me put it in my cart didn't know what it was either. She said, "Why are you buying that? That thing has been here forever," which would explain why red ticket items were half off. And it's a red ticket item. I would never pay $9 for this, but it was half off today. Plus I get senior discount. Anyway, so she said, "Why are you getting that?" And I said, well, I looked underneath and found it has legs that can be removed. So for about $4 after my discount, I have 4 furniture legs. So if I need to elevate something, here they are. I will also keep this bracket. I don't know if I'll use this one again, but I'm going to keep it just in case. So look beyond the obvious. For $4, I have 4 furniture legs, and that's pretty outstanding. Another project that I did a long time ago, so I only have still photographs, was this. I found this at Goodwill. I don't know what it is. Perhaps it was a back massager. I don't know, but those little beads on it moved. So I instantly saw little feet because at the time I was making risers. And so I took those wooden beads off and I attached it to the bottom of this container. And ultimately I designed what was an umbrella stand. Isn't that pretty? Anyway, so look beyond the obvious, even when it's not obvious, and see what you can find, especially since we need to find things that are very affordable when we are restoring furniture for resale. Anyway, just a quickie. I am looking forward to getting back down in the basement with all my pieces of furniture, so I will be posting a furniture restoration very soon. But in the meantime, if this kind of content interests you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell so you will be notified via email or text that I have posted a video. That's it for now. See you later.